Hey man, what's up everybody? You know what I'm saying? It's your boy King SCG coming back at you with another motherfucking video. Man, y'all already know what it is, man. But you know what I'm saying? I'm hopping this young monkey and I'm just gonna be seeing y'all, man. You know what I'm saying? Monkey after dark, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to see what they in, man. They trying to have sex, my cute and my night. You know what I'm saying? We're just gonna put it all in one, man. I really don't know the name to the video yet. Y'all see the name to the video when the video comes up, man. But I'm done talking, man. Let's all straight to the bed. Alright, let's get it. Alright, we got a 16-year-old, you know what I'm saying? We got Skip G. It's all good. 23-year-old girl, JD, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna see what she's talking about. Hello?
This is the gayest name ever.
Huh? I gotta ask you a question.
Okay.
You smashing or passing? Oh, time right now, you know what I'm saying? Nah, we ain't gonna mess with that though. Alright, you go. Hello?
Hi.
Now you fine as fuck.
Thank you.
Hey, I gotta ask you a question.
Uh-huh.
You smashing or passing? Golly, I gotta tell them that time or something. She was fine. I ain't gonna lie.
That's stupid.
Hey, add time.
Alrighty. Okay.
Hey, I gotta ask you a question.
What?
You smashing or passing?
Smash.
Hey, add me as a friend. I'm gonna text you my snap.
Alright.
Alright. You know what I'm saying? That's one I'm up for. You know what I'm saying? Yo, you did. You know what I'm saying? Okay, show them girl my hairline right now, man, because it's a little bit too messed up, so we ain't gonna do it to him. Alright, we got skills. Yeah. So just waiting. She probably gonna skip me.
What's up?
Hey, how old are you?
God damn, chocolate. Oh my god, get down.
Add time. I gotta ask y'all a question.
What's up?
Y'all smashing or passing?
I'm smashing like a motherfucker. I can't even lie to you. I don't lie. I'm smashing like a motherfucker. Period. Point blank. That's all her right there.
What
Not
about
that you pretty good looking, but I'm pass.
Oh, why?
She lied. She's smashing. I mean, you are dark skinned, but like chocolate is the way all the way. Fuck that milk chocolate caramel. Bitch, how the fuck did Coco get it though? I don't fucking know. Oh my god. Sorry. Why is fucking cause oh no, I'm just passing. Smashing just take too much work.
Hmm?
Bitch, I feel like you slow sometimes. Like it's
You
so
did-
much. You'll smash motherfucking Pablo in a split second. I don't know. Pablo. Nigga, I don't fuck with that. Tight beer. Hold on.
Shit. Hey, I still got that one, nigga. You know what I'm saying? She said smashing is too much work. I don't know if y'all heard her. She said smash was too much work, bro. That's crazy. Girl, you know the states, you know what I'm saying? Go ahead and shoot my shot. Motherfucker app crash. Beating with the biscuits that could be ready to eat. Alley 17. United States. Fresh up at the cannon joint, 9 nigga ballin'. Hey, y'all had time.
How old are you?
I'm 16. I gotta ask y'all a serious question.
What's up?
Y'all smashing or passing? Bro, they disappeared, G. They was gone. They Hello? I gotta ask you a question. You smashing or passing?
Smash, you did.
Hey! You know what I'm saying? It's just that dark skin fuck up blow, nigga. It's that dark skin vibe, you know what I'm saying? Alright, you know what I'm saying? Now I'm finna switch it up, man, you know what I'm saying? Look for a girlfriend, you know what I'm saying? No, I'm gonna keep it the same, It's for another video. Not right now, another one. You did. Oh, yeah. I gotta touch that girl, you know what I'm saying? Touch that girl, you know what I'm saying?
Hello?
What up? Hey.
Okay, you fine. She think, listen, okay, to be honest, I'm not gonna lie, that's my best friend, but she think ugly niggas is self. Nah, you cute. You up there, I'm lying, that's ugly, man. Look at him, he fine. I'm just playing, you my friend, we friends, we cool. Oh, now you want to bitch. We cool. Bitch. Act like a friend. Bitch, white, I'm about to act like a friend.
I got a question before you go.
You got braces?
Y'all smashing or passing?
Uh-huh.
Y'all smashing or passing? This motherfucking vicious give me is over.
Are you ready? It smells good. It's amazing. If you don't put that gas down.
Hey, add time right quick. I gotta ask you a question. Alright. Hey, y'all smashing or passing?
You was cute, so I'm smashing for real.
Hey, add me as a friend. Hey, I'm finna text y'all. I gotta go.
I'm finna go in here. What you doing?
Alright.
Yeah.
Hey, man. That's gonna end it for today's video, you know. So, hold on, wait. That motherfucker bad. Damn. Oh, my God. You beautiful. Hey, add time.
You're so handsome. Hold on, let me add time.
Fuck this shit, nigga. You did. I'm done with this shit, nigga. Oh, this one bad too. It's the spirit. That's gonna be it for the video, man. If y'all really enjoy, y'all make sure y'all give it a thumbs up. Comment down below on the next fucking video y'all wanna see, man. SG, we going to the top, nigga. Yeah, man. I'm about to be. You did.
To the point where I love and I hate you and I cannot change you, so